More Shapes with Ms. Gordon. Hello explorers, Ms. Gordon here. A couple weeks ago we talked about shapes and I introduced 3 shapes to you: the triangle, the square, and the circle. Let's do a quick review of those shapes. The blue shape is a triangle and it has 3 sides and 3 corners. The yellow shape is a square and it has 4 sides and 4 corners. And the square sides are all the same length. Finally, the circle, which is red, has 1 continuous side or edge and has no corners. Now, let's move on to 3 new shapes. The first shape is a rhombus. The next shape is a rectangle. And the last shape is an oval. Let's talk about what makes these 3 shapes unique. Let's first start with the rhombus. A rhombus is a fancy name for diamond. A rhombus has 4 sides. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. It also has 4 corners. Let's count those too. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rhombus is considered a rhombus because it has 4 sides and 4 corners, and all the sides are the same length. That might sound familiar, kind of like a square. However, a rhombus is tilted a little bit, making it look more like a diamond, and that's what makes it unique. Next, let's check out a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, and let's count the corners next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what makes a rectangle is that it has 4 sides and 4 corners, similar to a square. However, in a square, all the sides are the same length. With a rectangle, only the opposite sides of a rectangle are the same lengths. So you end up having 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Lastly, let's talk about an oval. An oval is very similar to a circle, but it's been squished. So the edge around it has become longer, but it's still round and it has no corners. Ovals kind of remind me of eggs. Alright explorers, now you know what makes a rhombus, a rectangle, and an oval. Let's go outside and let's make these shapes. I collected mostly sticks and a couple seeds. I had a picture of the shapes to help remind me what each shape looked like. I decided to start off by making a rhombus, so I collected 4 sticks that were about the same length. I connected the stick so that the ends touched each other at an angle, making a rhombus. I double-checked my work by counting the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, I made a rectangle, so I collected 2 long sticks and 2 short sticks. I positioned the sticks so that the 2 long sticks were at the top and bottom and opposite each other, and the 2 short sticks were on the sides opposite each other. I double-checked my work by counting the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I made an oval. I started off with a curved stick, and then I used seeds to create the rest of the curved edge of the oval. It didn't end up being a perfect oval, but I'd love to see what you guys can make with the materials that you collect outdoors. All right, explorers, it's your turn. Go outside, collect materials, and see if you can make these three shapes: the rhombus, the rectangle, and the oval. Also, look around you in your neighborhood, in the woods, and see if you can find these shapes in buildings or in the forest. All right, have a good day.